Hey, can I have some?
Hey guys, I'm Cucumber.
And I'm Mr. Fluffy Bunny.
And today we'll be looking at some good times. Right, Mr. Fluffy Bunny? Mr. Fluffy Bunny? Mr. Fluffy Bunny, where are you? Are you in here? Nope. Where could he be?
I'm right here. What are you talking about?
Oh. Hi. And now, back to looking at good times. No, Mr. Fluffy Bunny. Not again. Ow!
Can I have some money, please?
Sorry, I don't have any.
Oh.
Sir, I will have some of your finest ruined plate legs.
I remember one time.
Can I have some armor? Can I have some arrows? Can I have some money? Can I have some food?
You want food, eh? How about a knuckle sandwich, punk?
Ah!
That's not a very good memory. So let's wrap this up. Ah, yes. The memory of how we meet. Wolcott?
Howdy.
May I have any interview?
Sure.
So what do you do all day, every day?
I woodcut.
I've heard you're being chased by a madman.
Yeah. OMG, there he is now.
Hey, get back here, punk! Oh. Hi.
Hi there.